Welcome to the 2020 Great Plains Technology Center Student Awards and Recognition Program. I'm Clarence Fortney, Superintendent and MC for tonight's event, and it is an honor to recognize our students this evening. Of course, we wish we could acknowledge our students' achievements in person, and since that isn't possible, we want to promise you that the hard work and dedication of our students is still just as important. Students at Great Plains spend a half day every day with us for 2 years of their high school career and training, preparing for a successful career and a successful life. Students sacrifice a lot to be here. Many of them work towards state and national industry certifications, develop leadership skills, and through their Career Tech student organizations, compete with their peers from across the country to demonstrate what they've learned. Tonight, we want to celebrate all that they've achieved. Their biggest reward, however, is that they are ready to take on the world. As a graduate of Great Plains Welding program myself, I can assure you that the rewards are many. So join me as we celebrate the accomplishments of our students in 2020. Thanks for joining us for this virtual event. I should mention that we have a dedicated team of instructors who are passionate about teaching and supporting our students' journey. Be sure to thank them when you get the chance. And to our students, I want to personally congratulate you for choosing Great Plains Technology Center and for your personal commitment and determination to succeed. If you're graduating, remember you're always welcome at Great Plains if we can support you in any way. And if you're a returning student, we can't wait to see you in August. My hope is that each of you and our students, families, and employees have a safe and enjoyable summer. Thank you.